Scottsdale Airport information. Hotel is current wind 170 at 3, altimeter 29990, runway 21 in use.
Clear, it's 3823 at the Mike Scott Defense. Good morning, to the Sterling Charlie Airport. View Snowball 6 departure. Grand Canyon transition S-Bub. Maintain 5,000, expect flight level 340, 3 minutes after. Departure frequency is 120.7, squawk 2675.
At the Mike runway 21, clear for takeoff. Mercury Flight Bravo, base and approved, reported departing Learjet in sight. Mercury Flight Bravo, maintain visual separation from departing Learjet, caution turbulence, runway 21, clear second build, and right turn out of bridge. Get it back to off for the base, traffic will hold in position. 222 off, runway 21 line up and wait, traffic transmit downwind. There's the hotel, Mike in the right turn, contact Canyon departure, adios.
Over departure, 3 Hotel Mike.
Just 790, quit to the Sierra Juliet Charlie Airport via the Mesa 7 departure. Rest the transition, then as filed. Maintain 5,000, expect flight level 4003 minutes after. Departure frequency is 120.7, squawk 0760.
Exit at 790, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, line up and wait, traffic is Cirrus on a 3-mile right base. Cirrus 6 is off, base is approved, when able to report departing Challenger in sight. Either. Exit at 790, runway 21, clear for takeoff. Cessna 349er, do you have departing Challenger in sight? Cessna 349er, roger, major with the separation from the departing Challenger. Your number 2 following the Cirrus, short final, runway 21, clear to go.
2
Exit at 790, in that right turn, contact Phoenix Park, have a safe flight.
790, you have a good day, thanks.
GMX 92, runway 21, clear to land. Cessna 349, your number 2 following the citation, caution, wake turbulence, runway 21, clear to go. That's alright then, 4 Alpha Delta, I got no other traffic for you, bridge include, have a safe flight.
Thank you, 124 Alpha Delta.
GLX 92, stay parking.
We're going to Atlantic.
GLX 92, right, turn right on Alpha 5, contact ground point 6, and you have a good one.
Citation 53 Sierra Foxtrot, Scottsdale cleared. Cleared to Oscar Whiskey Alpha Airport. Yacht 6 departure. JARPA transition, then as filed. Maintain 5,000. Expect flight level 450, 3 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 120.7, squawk 2643.
Cirrus 6 to Adult, your base turn is approved before departing citation in sight.
Base approved, we get the citation.
Either. Cessna 349, make early right crossing.
Early right crosswind, Cessna 349er.
Citation 30 Foxtrot, runway 21, clear for takeoff. Cirrus 6 to Adult, maintain with the separation from departing citation, caution, wake turbulence, runway 21, clear to go, and you'll continue in right close traffic.
This is 51 right crossing.
Citation 30 Foxtrot in that right turn, contact Phoenix Park, have a safe flight.
On order departure for citation 30 Foxtrot, have a great day.
Scottsdale Airport information. India is current wind 150 at 5, altimeter 29901.
New 129, Scottsdale. Good morning, quick to the Papa Delta X-Ray Airport. The Snowball 6 departure. Grand Canyon transition as filed. Maintain 5,000, expect flight level 4003 minutes after. Departure frequency is 120.7, squawk 4157.
Running at 129, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, line up away, traffic is up on the right downwind. Cessna 349er, if your base turn is approved, report departing Falcon and Eclipse in sight. Sure, 6 Kilo Golf, make early right crosswind, faster traffic departure show.
Early right cross on 6 Kilo Golf.
Running at 129, runway 2, clear for takeoff. Aviator 95, frequency approved, have a safe flight. Hey, Eclipse 70 Echo Julie, your right turn northbound is approved, runway 21, clear for takeoff. Cessna 349er, maintain with the separation from 20 Falcon and Eclipse check, cost and weight turbulence, runway 21, quick touch and go. Running at 129 in that right turn, contact Phoenix Park to the safe flight.
Over to departure, running at 129, thank you.
Citation 151 Yankee Delta, Scottsdale clearance, cleared to Foxtrot November Lima Airport. Yacht 6 departure, JARPA, transition, then as filed. Maintain 5,000, expect flight level 410, 3 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 120.7, squawk 2610.
Citation 151 Yankee Delta, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, quick takeoff. Cessna 2 Lima Alpha, turn crosswind, report departing citation.
Turning crosswind, 2 Lima Alpha, looking for traffic.
Cessna 2 Lima Alpha, you got departing citation, please?
Traffic in sight, 2 Lima Alpha.
Cessna 2 Lima Alpha, maintain this departing citation, got service runway 21, clear touch and go.
Runway 21, clear touch and go, 2 Lima Alpha.
Citation 1 Yankee Delta, kind departure, seal.
On departure, 151 Yankee Delta.
Close Asia 8 Scottsdale Tower, good morning, runway 21, clear to land.
279 let's ready to Tower, waiting for release. 895 Roger, send down, I'll call the base, traffic may hold in position prior to your arrival.
Come down,
Code 808, take parking.
Jet aviation 808.
Code 808, turn right, contact ground point 6. Good day. Shares 45 Cessna clearance clear to Van Nuys Airport via Mesa 7 departure. Rasta transition as filed. Maintain 5,000. Expect flight level 240, 3 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 120.7. Squawk 4136.
Just 45, runway 21 left away, traffic bonanza, left downwind. Diameter 886, one able to parking. 886, Roger, right turn, one able to jet, or contact ground point 6, you have you on.
Alright, right when able, we'll contact down, you have a good day. Diameter 8.
Just 45, runway 21, quick to go. Nanza 50, extra customer supporting Gulfstream, runway 21, clear to land.
Okay, runway 21, clear to land, 50, thanks.
Aviator 95, traffic will be taking you off to your left side, 1 mile southbound of citation, descending out of 6,000. Mission tail is now current wind 220 up 7, altimeter 29er, 901. 45, country departure, seal.
Say again, Fred 45.
45, counter departure, good day.
Departure 45.